National Electrical Code Section 404.10 states that receptacles installed in dwelling units must be at least 12 inches above the floor or below the ceiling. There are exceptions to this rule. Firstly, receptacles installed for specific appliances, such as refrigerators or clothes washers, are exempt. Secondly, receptacles installed in unfinished basements or crawl spaces do not need to adhere to this rule. Thirdly, receptacles installed in industrial or commercial occupances are also an exception. In the case of an office, the office is not a dwelling unit. The receptacle is 12 inches off the floor, which meets the minimum requirement. The window starts 36 inches off the floor, which is well above the receptacle. Therefore, the installation of the receptacle under the window is compliant with the National Electrical Code.